Ni hao. My name is Janine Carlin Lazarte Templado, and I am from the Philippines. I graduated with a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in General Science, and over the past several years, I have gained valuable teaching experience both in the classroom and online. For 2 years, I taught on site, handling both junior and senior high school students in science and English subjects, which helped me develop strong classroom management skills and the ability to adapt lessons for different age groups. In addition, I hold a TFL certification and have spent the last 3 years teaching English online to students from Korea, Japan, and China. These experiences have allowed me to appreciate cultural diversity and to tailor my teaching style to meet the needs of the learners from different backgrounds. My teaching philosophy is centered on creating an engaging and supportive environment where students feel confident to express themselves and motivated to learn. I believe that every student has unique strength, and my role as a teacher is to guide them in discovering and developing those strengths, interactive, practical, and enjoyable lessons. I am passionate about helping students grow, not only in their academic skills, but also in their confidence to use English in real life situation. I am truly excited about the opportunity to bring my dedication, experience, and enthusiasm to teaching. I look forward from hearing you soon. Thank you and bye.